What is a DIY Smart Saw? It is a downloadable guide found online that helps anyone to make a CNC, computer numerical control, machine or a smart saw for woodworks. The machine enables you to come up with the best designs and beautiful woodwork. To make the machine, you need the DIY Smart Saw guide to help you assemble the parts in the right way. It contains step-by-step instructions with picture aids. It also explains the materials that you need to make the machine. The woodworkers have a chance to explore their talent to higher limits with this guide. Making a CNC machine enables you to put your skill to work. Whether it is a beginner or those advanced in this craft, the guide will hold your hand through the entire process. It is easy to follow and enjoyable. The IT and statistics guys are not left out. It involves plugging in numbers, and the magic happens according to your exact specification. It produces accurate results from accurate measurements. There are no drawbacks from unbalanced measurements. Why would you need a DIY Smart Saw? A DIY Smart Saw enables you to create unique wood crafts. The resulting machine is faster than the human hand and lets you put your ideas into your hand and then produce the best designs for your products. The DIY will enable you to make your hobby your career. The results generated from using a DIY Smart Saw are a guarantee of products worth buying. You don't need to worry about the material for making the CNC machine because they are readily available in the store near you. To construct the machine, you need simple tools like a hammer, screwdrivers, tubular wrench among others. You see, they are just basic tools that you are familiar with. Assembling the parts is made easy by the DIY Smart Saw guide. If you need home furniture and other wooden decorations, the DIY Smart Saw will help you achieve that in a fraction of the time. Instead of purchasing furniture and home decorations for thousands of dollars, why not just make your own? It is as simple as reciting the alphabets with the DIY Smart Saw.